last night, and I got out a little bit, caught that one lake trout. That was it. The rain just kept coming. And then there were some quiet moments, back and forth. Oh, got one. Yep, I got one. Well, that didn't take long. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Wow, I'm just barely left. I might have lost him. Can't tell. Pulling me back. I don't know. I can feel something. Definitely a fish. Gotta be a lake trout if it's staying that low. Yep. I can see him way down there. Wow. I barely got him on too. Oh, sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Now he's fighting. Oh. All right. Let's see if we can get you in here. Whoa. There he goes. That's right. You've been caught. Maybe I should give him a little. Whoa. Man, I have been trolling for 2 minutes, not even. There he is. There he is. Get that. Oh, check this out. Twisting. There. He's free. He's just caught on my netting. There. Of course, my net is all tangled in my hook. I'm gonna pull him out if I can. There. Look at this guy. Nice. Whoa. There he goes. That was super fast, man. I mean, 2 minutes I've been out here. So I guess after a rain, they like it. Yeah, we'll keep trying. It's definitely the coolest morning since I've been here. It's foggy. It's just so nice to not be being cooked already. Just a different environment too. Somehow seems quieter. If that's possible. But I've had a couple of hits. Just the one lake trout so far. I've only been out here for about 45 minutes. And it's a beautiful, beautiful day. I'll take it. Take a little respite from the heat. Beautiful. That's a good one. Yep. That's a good one. Pulling me back the way I came. Oh. I can't see him. in deep. Oh, now I can. Nice lake trout. Not that big, but the same as last one. Whoa. He's really trying to shake that loose. There we go. There we go. He's in there. Twisting up in my net. All my broken glasses. If I can get him out. So here he is. I don't want to take him out. He's a beautiful laker. There you go, buddy. There you go. Awesome. That's a mini lake trout. It's not big. He's still there. He's a little one, whatever it is. Oh, it's fighting a little harder. Must be a lake trout. Could be a smallmouth. Yep, it's a little smallmouth. Crazy that he would even try with that bait this big. And down you go. Whatever this is, it's strong. For sure. Wow. I think it's a lake trout. Just coming out of what I think is Jack's Bay. Wow, this guy's strong. I can't see him. It's got to be a lake trout. I can see him way down there. Yep, definitely a lake trout. He's so strong. Wow. It's amazing how strong they are. Wow, he's a nice one. I barely got him. I cut it in my net, but I don't use it. Whoa. This fish is almost too big for the net. There he is. Nice, I barely got him. Barely got him. There. Stay in there, bud. There. Nice. Alright, I'll show you. It's another good sized one. Easy, bud. There he goes. Wow. That was cool. One. Same spot as the one this morning. I've known it straight beside my camp. I'm sure this is lake trout. Whoa! Losing that drag, son. I'm gonna break it. This one's stronger. For sure. Whoa. Is that a smallmouth? It is. It's a freaking good sized smallmouth. Wow. Did they ever fight? Whoa. Okay, take it easy. Take it easy. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. There. Don't do it. Ouch. This guy's got the spine. He's not that big, but he's a nice one. Smallmouth bass. Woohoo! There he goes. I'm gonna run out of battery before I run out of fish, man. Holy smokes. I thought for sure it was a lake trout. It was fighting so hard, but it was just a big enough bass. Anyway, try for a few more. It seems that the wind has shifted closer to the north. And we'll see if that sticks around, if that stays, but that's really the cue I've been waiting for in terms of when to start heading back. I'd rather not fight the wind all the way up or down now. Madagamasi, because it'll be a drag. So I'm hoping that I'm going to get a little bit more sun so I can charge my GoPro. If not, I guess we'll see. But enjoying it so much. Planning on leaving tomorrow morning, I think. I know it'll be much cooler. I mean, it's cooler now. It'll be cooler yet. And the wind should be coming out of the north the next couple days. It should give me my opportunity to get out of here, paddle out of here, back to the world. It's been incredible time. This one just about pulled my rod in. I wonder what that is. It just hit so hard. It might be a smallmouth. Boy, it hit so hard. I just caught it before it fell out of the boat. Pulling me towards him. Still can't see it. I'm assuming it's a lake trout. It's so deep. Yep, lake trout. You can see him way down there. He's a good sized one. He just hit so hard. Oh, I barely got him too. Got him. Easy, take it easy, take it easy. Oh, now you're all tangled up, aren't you? There. Let's get it off. Here he is. Get another one. Come on, twist it from there. There you go, buddy. Oop. I don't even know how many that is so far, but it sure is fun. That one almost took the rod right out of my hand. Cool. Well, it looks like the weather is not turning out the way I thought. Tomorrow it's supposed to blow. It'll be a south wind going up to 48-kilometer-an-hour gusts. So I gotta go today. Today it's showing 0 wind, which is pretty damn close to what it is, slightly north. So I am getting out of Dodge. Day 5 instead of day 6. Absolutely amazing time. It's a long fight out. So I'm gonna get on it. It's already fairly late, 10:30. Hopefully I can be on the water by 11:45, and on we go. What an amazing time, Donald Lake. I'm so grateful to have been able to come up here. I'll leave a little bit of firewood and stuff for whoever comes next and get that fire out. Awesome time. Left a little Inukshuk here on my way out. Beautiful time. On my way. The weather turned. I just got the forecast, and tomorrow was supposed to be a north wind. Now it's going to be a very fast south wind. So even though it's later in the day than I planned, I decided to go now and hope for the best, take my time. I brought some extra food this time, made some sandwiches, and I'll make sure to keep my water up and do these short portages and get on to my final lake. But right now I'm just getting out of Donald Lake, then over to Colin Scott, then over to Gold, and then over to Madagamasi. Maybe a little trolling on the way, see if I can get a pickerel for the way home. Great time, great time. See how long this GoPro lasts too. I know I'm reaching the bitter end. Shame to say goodbye. Just beautiful. Lots of pollen in the water still, but it blows clear every now and then. It's amazing. Colin Scott Lake. Beautiful. Well, I ended up with this fairly heavy headwind anyway. I don't know how far I've gone. I'm on Madagamasi Lake, or Madagamasi Lake. And I'm just having a little snack and drinking some water. I think I might be halfway, maybe not even that. Probably about 4 kilometers to the Narrows, so hopefully the wind will give me a bit of a break then, that I won't be that I won't be going right up the Narrows. I think it's going to be coming from the side somewhat. So yeah, I'm resting up, doing okay. Long haul, tired of the deer flies. Yeah, so that's the plan. My GoPro died, of course, finally. Yeah, man, on my way. How cool is this little area? The cliffs and the old trees. Doing anything I can to stay out of the wind. Oh, it's beautiful here. Look at all the little nooks and crannies. Pictographs. Just a couple of them there. Of course, I'm dying. Yeah, definitely. Cool. Ghibli. That's so cool. It looks like he's holding something. That looks like it. Well, I made it. It ended up being against the wind the whole way. And I'm tired. I started on the big lake I left at 11:30. I started on the big lake at 1:30. I got in there at a 6:45 or 20 to 7. So long paddle and in very strong wind. But I did it. I'm tired. I'm not as young as I used to be, clearly. But it was wicked. It was an amazing time, and I'm so glad I did it. So see you guys next time.